Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Marvel intro in VN. First, open the VN Video Editor application and begin a brand new project. Next, import a dark background video or a simple solid black image to serve as your base. Then, add a new text layer where your main title or logo will appear. Make sure to select a bold and impactful font to capture that iconic cinematic feel. Now, let's focus on the core visuals. Animate your text with a subtle zoom-in or a quick fade-in effect to make it appear dynamically. Apply a glow or a distinct outline to your text, ensuring it stands out against the dark background. Integrate several small, rapid-cut video clips or images that flash briefly behind your main text. Utilize keyframes to precisely control the timing and movement of each visual element. Moving on to more advanced techniques and crucial audio. Implement quick, impactful transitions between your background clips, creating a sense of rapid progression. Synchronize powerful sound effects precisely with the appearance of your text and the reveal of visual elements. Introduce a dramatic, orchestral background music track to build tension. Carefully adjust all audio levels for a balanced and truly cinematic sound mix. For the final touches, apply a dark, cinematic color grade to the entire sequence, enhancing its dramatic impact. Double-check that all visual and audio elements are perfectly aligned and timed for seamless flow. Review your intro multiple times, perhaps 5 or 6 times, to catch any necessary adjustments or minor imperfections. Finally, export your finished video in high definition, such as 1080 pixels, for the best quality.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.